Welcome to Biology. 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 Biology.
The drink for this collaboration is my grandmother's homemade sunshine lemonade. Here is what you need: 1 orange, 2 lemons, utensils for the cut, a mason jar, a spoon, some hot water, and some sugar or Splenda. So first what you want to do is cut up your lemons and your orange. Next, get your mason jar or pitcher. Because of the size of my mason jar, I am using 2.5 tablespoons of Splenda. Now I'm going to add in all of my lemons and orange. This is what it should look like. Yes. Now the key is use hot water. Do not use cold, use hot water. Put on your lid, but do not shake. Okay guys, let's go in for the taste test. So it sat from anywhere from 4 to about 7 hours. So let's get the tasting. Oh my gosh. Absolutely so good, guys. So good. Oh yeah. So now let's get into the rest of the video. Okay, it is time to do my bar cart. And guys, this is my bar cart for my patio on my back area. So guys, let's get into this. As I'm designing, I'm going to tell you some of the things where they came from. Of course, my table, it came from Aldi's last year. My wine holder came from the Goodwill for $4. My tray came from Home Goods about 2 years ago. The horseshoe plate came from the Christmas tree for $1. That pitcher came from the Dollar Tree. That fish came from the Christmas tree for $5. This pitcher I found at Walmart and it was on clearance, no damage, for $3. Now guys, I do have wine that I do put outside, and if you ever see a cork in my bottles, they are the ones that goes outside. Now my hand towel with my letter D, my last name, and also it is full of seashells and things. 8 came from the Christmas tree. This is just a bunch of flowers that I pick up from the Dollar Tree. It's 3 stems, so I put them in there, kind of arrange them a little bit. Inside this cute little fish vase. It is so cute. So yeah, that is my little arrangement. So next, I did find in the Christmas tree some sand dollars and some starfish. So I'm adding those on down. So these little mugs, my husband saw these in the Dollar Tree. He thought they were so cute, so I decided to pick up 4 of these. And yes, of course, I got to add in a little bit more flour. So these came from also the Dollar Tree. So guys, this is a seahorse. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it up here or put it on my table. So I did play around with it, but at the end, guys, it was in the recording, but yeah, she ended up on my patio table. So at the last minute, guys, I remember I did have the tumblers that I did pick up from the Dollar Tree. I was going to return them, but I remember, so I ran into my car garage to get the tumblers and decided that, yeah, I'm going to use them. So at a friend of mine's house last year, she had gummy bears on her wine cart bar. I asked her why, and she said they are yummy with a mixed drink. So I did add a tub of gummies on mine. And here is my ice bucket. Guys, as you can see, my curtains moving and my plants just moving. It is such a beautiful day here in Georgia. So guys, I think I am done. I am going to bring you in closer. Sleep.